This video will show you how to install a fluid one-piece toilet. Packaged in the box with your fluid toilet, you will find a wax ring, installation instructions and hardware, side-mounted cover plates, and a soft close seat and hardware. Here's what you'll need to complete this installation that isn't included in the box: an installed toilet floor flange, a water supply line, a crescent wrench, and a Phillips screwdriver. A printed copy of our installation instructions is included in the box, and a digital copy is linked in the description below. We recommend reading the full installation instructions before installing this toilet. There are helpful illustrations that may help you to understand the process more fully. It is essential for the installation of any fluid toilet that the closet flange be accurately set out from the finished wall, including any tile or moldings, so that the center of the flange is 12 inches from the finished wall. Our installation hardware includes closet bolt lock nuts that hold the bolts straight and upright, making installation of the bowl easier. Install the bolts across from one another so that they align with the holes at the bottom of the bowl. Make sure that the area around the base of the toilet is clean and free of all debris. Position and firmly place the supplied wax ring onto the trapway of the bowl. Now align the toilet over the closet bolts and flange and lower it into position. A tip to make this process easier is to place a line of tape on the floor indicating the location of the flange bolts, and then place a small piece of tape along the side of the toilet bowl. Lining up the two pieces of tape makes it easier to position and place the bowl properly. Secure the toilet by hand, tightening the nuts onto the closet bolts through the side opening. Apply an additional half turn with a wrench to ensure that the bowl is properly tightened. You can now remove the tape if you've used it. Cover the openings on either side of the bowl with the supplied square covers. Just push them into place. You'll now want to remove the lever handle from the box. Remember the order of the washers on the handle. The black washer goes on first, and then the white. Remove the wing nut bolt and the two washers. Making sure that the lever handle is facing the front of the tank, place the handle into the side hole. The small rib on the shaft of the lever must be pointing upwards. Place the black rubber washer on and then the white, and then the wing nut over the handle assembly, and then tighten the wing nut by hand. Now you'll need to attach the cable box. By aligning the rib on the handle assembly with the slot on the cable box outer nut. Before you tighten it, make sure that the cable isn't interfering with the outlet valve. It should be placed beside the valve. While you're holding up the handle, tighten the nut toward the front of the tank. It's important that you hold the handle up while tightening, otherwise you'll tighten it into a downward position. Remember, this is a dual flush high-efficiency toilet. You push the handle downward for a full flush and upward for a reduced flush. Now it's time to install the seat. Okay, for those continuity eagles out there, we know that this toilet is now in a different location. We just want to show you as clearly as possible how to install the seat in a nice, bright location. First, from above, insert the expandable plastic anchors into the seat fixing holes. Push them all the way in until they're flush with the surface of the bowl. Next, you'll insert the rubber hinge washers into the bottom of the seat hinges. Fit the seat onto the bowl, aligning the hinges with the holes in the seat. You'll see that there are two sets of metal hinge adjustment plates included. Choose the set that best aligns with the seat fixing holes in your bowl. In this case, we're using the off-center set. Place the metal plates onto the seat hinge and then lower the screws into the holes. Tighten the screws a small amount, making sure that the seat is still quite loose. Now adjust the seat so that it aligns with the bowl. Make sure to pay attention to both the sides and the tip of the bowl. You want that seat to be completely centered. Once you're happy with the placement of the seat, you can go ahead and finish tightening those hinge screws. Close the hinge covers, and then you're ready to connect the water line. Make sure that the toilet sits level on the floor. If it rocks due to an uneven floor, make sure to level it with shims. Run a bead of silicone caulking along the edge of the bowl. Run the bead all the way around, leaving a 1-inch gap at the back. Now turn on the water and check for leaks. Flush the toilet to make sure it's working correctly, and you're done. If you'd like to see the written instructions, the link is included in our video description below. For more product information, please check out the Sustainable Solutions website at sustainablesolutions.com. You can also contact our customer service team at 1-800-460-7019 or by email at help@sustainablesolutions.com.